doing? How's your day going? Today we'll be looking at a very important topic under molar concentration, molar mass, and the general formula for solubility of any compound. So here before us is a question. We've been solving the molar concentration of solution B, solution A, and thereabouts. So let's go. So the first step for us to do is to write a balanced equation of solution A. What is solution A? Tetraisosulfate 6 acid, which happens to be the acid, plus the base, sodium triisocarbonate, Na2CO3. So what is it going to produce? Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. So we've written a balanced equation of this particular question, because solution A is for an unknown concentration, which happens to be H2SO4 plus Na2CO3 and Na2SO4, CO2 and H2O. Is the equation balanced? Yes, it is. H2 is here, 2 is here. Na2, Na2, SO4, SO4, CO3, 2 plus 1. So the equation is balanced. So 1000 centimeter cube or 1 dm cube of sodium 2 tetraisosulfate is equal to dash. The question says we should calculate the molar concentration of B. What is B? B happens to be sodium triisocarbonate. So the molar concentration is equals to mass concentration over molar mass. Mass concentration over molar mass. So what is the mass concentration given in the question? At STP, you have 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 5.3 grams. So your mass concentration for the concentration B is 5.3. What is molar mass? What is the molar mass of Na2CO3? Let's do it by the side. Na is 23 times 2 plus C is 12 plus oxygen is 16 times 3. So you have 46 plus 12 plus 48. What is the answer, class? 46 plus 12 plus 48. What does that give you? 106. So the molar mass is 106. So therefore, what do we do from here? 5.3 divided by 106. 5.3 divided by 1.6, class? 0.05 mole dm cube. So this is the molar concentration of B. Now let's look for the molar concentration of A. Molar concentration of A. So what formula are we using? We are using Ca, concentration of acid, volume of acid, is equals to concentration of base, volume of base, is equals to number of mole of acid over number of mole of base. So from the question, we are looking for concentration of acid. So that will be Ca times Va. What is the volume of the acid? From the question, A is a solution of an unknown concentration of tetraisosulfate 6. B is a solution containing 5.3 grams of sodium triisocarbonate. If 20.0 dm cube of solution B is requires 19.85 centimeter cube of solution at equivalent point. So here, the volume of acid is 19.85 over concentration of the base. Remember, we already got the concentration of base, which happens to be 0.05 times volume of the base. What is the volume of the base? 20.0 is equal to number of mole of acid. We'll come back to the balance equation. From where it is balanced, number of mole of acid, we are having 1 mole. Number of mole of base, we have 1 mole. So we cross multiply. You have Ca times 19.85 is equals to 0.05 times 20.0. So we divide both sides by 19.85. 19.85. This cancels this. So Ca is equal to 0.05 times 20 is what? 0.05 times 20 divided by 19.85. 0.05 mole dm cube. Now that is the answer for question 1A. Question B says we should find the mass concentration of solution A in gram dm cube. What is the formula for mass concentration? Mass concentration is equal to molar concentration times molar mass. The mass concentration of solution A. Solution A is what? An acid, which is tetraisosulfate 6 acid. So what is the molar concentration we got for the acid? 0.05. And what is the molar mass of tetraisosulfate 6? Let's do it here. H is 1 times 2 plus S is 32 plus oxygen is 16 times 4. So you have 2 plus 32 plus 64. So the addition of all of them is going to give you what? 98. 0.05 times 98. What is that giving you? That gives you 4.9 dm. So question C says the molar concentration of sodium ion. So before we can be able to calculate the molar concentration of sodium ion, we are going to write an ionic equation from the base, which is Na2CO3. In an ionic equation, you are going to have N